Welcome to another video on how to reset your Capital One online banking password. I'm Akin from Create, Login and Delete, and let's get started. So first, go ahead and open up your preferred web browser and visit the Capital One website. Type down www.capitalone.com using a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Once the site opens up, click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. On the login page, below the fields where you would enter your username and password, you'll find a Forgot Username or Password link. Click on that link. You'll be redirected to a page where you will need to verify your identity. Capital One may ask for some personal information to confirm your identity, such as your social security number, date of birth, and your Capital One account number. Enter the requested information accurately and click on the Find Me or Continue button to proceed. If the information you provided matches the records, Capital One will provide you with the options to reset your password. They may send a verification code to your registered email address or phone number, or they may ask you to answer some security questions. So choose the option that works best for you to verify your identity and proceed with the password reset. Once your identity is verified, Capital One will prompt you to create a new password. Follow the password requirements provided and enter a new password of your choice. Confirm the new password by re-entering it in the appropriate field. After setting the new password, click on the Save or Submit button to finalize the password reset process. And you should now be able to log into your Capital One online banking account using your new password. If you encounter any difficulties during the process or if you need additional assistance, it's recommended to reach out to Capital One's customer service for further support. So I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please like, share, and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thanks for watching.